In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, open your device's keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you don't have it, select this gear next to clipboard. Tap on voice typing in keyboard settings and click on this gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now select Now Visible microphone icon. And if you never used it before, click on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start talking. When you are finished, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!